I'm the suitcase, one way ticket to a new place. You can zip up all of my love, but it would spill out, 'cause it weighs too much. But you're right here to pick me up, tracing your steps, do it one by one. You point, I follow, left or right, I'll go either way. Or we could hold on till tomorrow, 'cause the rain will come but your love won't change. You'll always be my weather vane. You're the sunset on a long day. I'd wait forever in your hallway. Change your colors, start to wonder, paint it over, or stay the same. No, the light may flicker, the light may fade. Even the dark with you feels like the brightest day. No, no, you point, I follow, left or right, I'll go either way. Or we could hold on till tomorrow, 'cause the rain will come but your love won't change. You'll always be my weather vane. You point, I follow, left or right, I'll go either way. Or we could hold on till tomorrow, 'cause the rain will come but your love won't change. You'll always be my weather vane. You'll always be my weather vane. You'll always be
Steven. Do you take Tara to be your lawfully wedded wife, to have it to hold from this day forward, for better for worse, the richer or poor, in sickness and in health, to love, to cherish, as long as you both shall live?
I do.
And Tara, you take Steven to be your lawfully wedded husband, to have it to hold from this day forward, for better or worse, the richer or poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, as long as you both shall live.
I do.
Please take this ring
Please take this ring
as a token of my love
as a token of my love.
for you above all others,
I promise to respect and support you.
through whatever challenges life may bring. With this ring, I am yours.
With this ring, I am yours.
And with that, we renounce you as husband and wife. Steven, make us thrive.
swear